Welcome back to my class again. This is Tasnim Sadika, teacher of class 4, and today I'm going to take science class. The chapter is 2 and this chapter is about plants and animals, and today we are going to learn the rest of the pages of this chapter, which is page number 18 to 20. In the page number 18 you can see here is 2 point, which is ocean habitat and polar habitat. Do you know what is ocean habitat? Ocean habitat means such kind of animals and plants which lives inside the water or oceans. Animals like whales, dolphins, fishes, crabs used to live inside the water or oceans, and plants such as algae, seaweeds used to live inside the water or seas. So these kind of animals and plants are called ocean habitat. The next point is polar habitat. Polar basically a place which is extremely cold and covered with ice. This is situated at the northern and southern hemisphere of the earth. This place is very cold and covered with ice. That is why normal kind of plants and animals cannot survive there. Only some specialist kind of plants and animals can survive there. Animals like polar bear, shells, penguin, etc. live there because they have thick skin and covered with fur. Because of this, they can keep themselves warm and they can survive such kind of place. And plants like pines and few grasses used to live in such cold place. So this is about this topic, and here is a table for you where you have to make a list about some kind of habitat in which plants and animals used to live. You can just have a look on this. I have done for you. Give I can give you an example. Here, desert. So what kind of plants live in the desert? Yes, the answer is cactus. And what kind of animals live inside in the desert? Yes, the answer is snake. So I have done this for you. You can have a look. In the next page, you can see here is our point, which is about the effect of environment on living things. So we all are living in an environment, right? So this environment also have some good and bad effects on the plants and animals. So let's talk about the good effect first. Animals give them water, food and shelter. Without such kind of things, the plants and animals could not even survive. So environment plays really an important role in this point. Moving on to the next point, which is bad effect. So here are some bad effects of environment on the animals, like when there is storm, flood, earthquake, etc. This kind of natural disaster made the animals and plants really harm. And some kind of human activities such as burning out the forest or polluting the environment, such kind of activities really harm the animals. And because of this, some kind of animals are also becoming extinct, like dodo bird, some kind of tiger also are extincting day by day. So when there is storm or flood, many animals and birds and also plants dies. So this environment also have some bad effect on the plants and animals. And in the below, here is another table for you. This is very easy. You can do it by yourself. Just have a look on it. So this is the end of the chapter, and here is an exercise for you. Here is number 1, which is fill in the blank. I have done this for you. So number 1, the part of environment where a plant or an animal lives is called, yes, the answer is habitat. Number 2, different plants and animals live in different habitat. Number 3, a dash is a place where many trees that grows densely. So the answer is forest. A forest is a place. Okay, number 4. An ocean. The answer is ocean. An ocean is a big reservoir of salty water. Number 5. A camel stores water in its hump. So camel stores water in its hump. So number 2, which is very easy. Because of that, I just didn't write here. But you can listen to me and just put tick mark on your copy or book. So number 1, where does the whale live? The whale live in the ocean. Okay, number 2, how can thick fur help polar bears? The answer is A, keep them warm. So thick fur help them to keep themselves warm. Number 3, which one is extinct animal? Yes, we have know already, dodo bird, which is an extinct animal. And number 3 and 4 is about short and broad question. You have your hand notes, right? So read it by yourself and try to memorize it and write it on your copy for a better output. And number 5, which here is a matching. This matching is very easy. Just have a look on it. Will match it with ocean. So will normally live in the ocean, right? Okay. Water hyacinth. Water hyacinth live inside in the pond. So match with pond. Lizard. Lizard live in the desert. So match with desert. Monkey match with forest. This is all about your today's class, and please memorize the question answer. These are very important, and as we all are inside the home, so please utilize your time. Do not waste your time. So have a great study hour, and if you have any question or in confusion, you can ask me. So see you in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.